Let us learn a Python program to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Formula we already know. C is equals to 5 by 9 F minus 32. What we have to do? We have to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. It means Fahrenheit is on the right hand side of the expression and Celsius is on the left hand side. We remember the rules. Rule number 1 in Python programming. Accept the value from the user. Whatever is on the right hand side, we have to accept the value with the help of input function. Second step, convert it into the numeric format so that it can be used in calculation. Third step, do the actual calculations using the formula. Fourth step, you have to print the result. So let us begin with the programming part. In the first line, what we have written, F is equals to float, input, enter the temperature in Fahrenheit. Input is a method. It is a function to accept value from the user. Whatever we have written in double quotes will be displayed as it is on the screen, and it will wait for the user to enter the value. Once user has entered the value, then it will be converted into float. Float is a data type which is used to store numbers with decimal points. So on the left hand side of the equal to symbol, what we have? F. What is F? F is a variable. So whatever user has entered, after conversion, it will be stored in the variable F. So two steps we have done. Accept the value, convert it into the numeric format. Now we will begin with the second step. Actual calculation. Have a look on the formula. 5 by 9 F minus 32. In the mathematics it is clear. If we have not written anything between 5 by 9 and F minus 32, it is quite understood that when we don't write anything, it means it is multiplication. But if we are not writing anything in Python, it will give the error. So multiplication symbol is compulsory to be written in Python expressions. Second step we are doing once again, second statement we are talking about. C is equals to 5 by 9. This forward slash is for the division. So 5 by 9 into F minus 32. Clear? So it will be calculated and the result will be stored in C. C is a variable. Equal to is the assignment operator, and the right hand side we have calculated. Calculated value will be stored in variable C. How many variables do we have in this question? 2, F and C. F we have accepted from the user. C we have calculated with the help of formula. So our result is ready to be displayed. How to display? With the help of which function? Print function. So print, in the brackets we have written temperature in Celsius in double quotes. This is increasing the readability of the output. This will be printed as it is, comma C. C is a variable. That is why it is not enclosed in the double quotes, so that its value can be printed.